unbox these with you today. It's the Mom's 5-piece server set. I can get this open here without cutting me. Let's see what we got. They're put in here good. More tape. Let's see. Well, if these are broken, I would be really surprised with how well they're put in here. And they might be by the time I get them out. Oh, look at that. Oh, look at these. They're so cute. There's 4 different colors. They're a nice size. They're not huge, which I like that. And then the little tray thing. Where'd I put my knife? There it is. Let's see what the little tray thing looks like. Let's see what it looks like put together. So I'm gonna get it out here. Oh, look at this. It's nice and heavy. Looks like it is okay for the microwave, okay for the oven, and okay for the dishwasher. So that's pretty cool. Take this out. Love this. This would be great for entertaining or great to just have sitting out or just to use anytime.